Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to show you how to keep yourself warm in these winter months. We're going to be making a no-sew fleece scarf and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project you'll need one piece of fleece 6 inches wide by 60 inches long, 12 assorted strips of fleece 1 inch wide by 9 to 12 inches long, scissors, and a ruler. When you buy fleece, it comes in measurements that are 60 inches wide, which is why this scarf here is 60 inches. So this is just one piece of fleece that you would be able to buy, and the 6 inches, you're able to get 6 of these out of 1 yard. So six scarves out of 1 yard. Now what I'm going to do is take my cut piece here and measure 2 inches. At that 2-inch mark, I'm just going to fold up my end. With my scissors, I'm going to be making cuts every 3/4 of an inch. Now for me, that's just about where my thumbnail is, so I can just measure that way. I'm going to make the cuts about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch long. Then I move my thumb over, make another cut. Move my thumb over, make another cut. You should end up with 6 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cuts. You're going to do that on both sides. And then here comes the fun part. You just take your strips, these are 1 inch wide by 12 inches long, feed them through the hole, so it's halfway, and just tie. And you just do that for all of the strips. We've actually found that these make a great fundraiser. They also make great giveaways. Kids can make them, and then you can give them to folks who need winter clothing because they're actually very, very warm. And it's a great group activity. So it's great scout activity or activity for your youth fellowship group. So there you go. As you can see, you've got your scarf. And you would just do this on the other side as well so that you end up with it looking like that. And that's all there is to making your very own fleece scarf. For more fun ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.